Myself Rahul, I am a chemistry faculty. Today I will be discussing the first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics. It is based on the conservation of energy. That is, energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. That means you can write here delta U is equals to what? Q plus W. Okay. So basically energy is being converted from one form to the another form. If heat is released by the system, you have to take Q to be negative. If heat is absorbed by the system, you have to take Q to be positive. Similarly, if work is done by the system, you have to take work done to be negative. If the work is done on the system, you have to take the work done to be positive. So for an isolated system, where there is no transfer of any form of energy, whether it is heat or work, you can write here Q equals to 0 and the W is equals to what? 0. So putting these values, delta U is equals to what? 0 plus 0 is equals to what? 0. That means that internal energy of such system remains constant because delta U is equals to what? 0. So internal energy is basically constant here. Internal energy is constant. Now let's do some question on this topic. Suppose 300 joule of work is done on the system, and 500 joule of heat is withdrawn from it. So you have to find out the change in the internal energy, that is calculate delta U. How to find the change in the internal energy? As you know that delta U is equals to Q plus W from the first law of thermodynamics. So from the first law of thermodynamics, you can write delta U is equals to what? Delta U is equals to Q plus W. Okay, got it? Now see here, if you have looked at the question carefully, see here, 300 joule of work is done on the system. It means if work is done on the system, you have to take the work done to be positive. So, and 500 joule of heat is withdrawn from it. It means that you have to take the heat to be negative. So you can write here minus 500 joule plus W is equals to how much? 300 joule, which is equals to how much? Minus 200 joule. So the change in internal energy here is equals to what? Minus 200 joule. That is the answer. Got it? Now coming to the next question. See here, suppose you have the PV graph here and the volume is in meter cube, okay, and the pressure is in the Pascal, that is the Newton per meter square.